Welcome to Submission Specializations, eCTD Lifecycle Management. The Electronic Common Technical Document, otherwise known as eCTD Lifecycle Management, is a crucial component of global regulatory submissions in pharmacovigilance and drug development. The eCTD is a standardized format for submitting regulatory information for medicines to health authorities. It has revolutionized the way dossiers are compiled, reviewed, and maintained by providing a structured electronic format that streamlines the process. With its origins in harmonization efforts under the ICH, that is the International Council for Harmonization, the eCTD facilitates compliance with strict global regulatory requirements while also ensuring transparency and efficiency in drug approval process. The eCTD structure. Overview of eCTD models. Module 1. Regional information contains administrative and product-specific information relevant to the regulatory authority. Module 2 is a summary. High-level summaries of quality, non-clinical, and clinical data. Understanding the eCTD structures and its key components. Regional information containing administrative and product-specific information for regulatory authorities. A summary which provides a high-level summaries of quality, non-clinical, and clinical data. Quality that details the chemical, pharmaceutical, and biological properties of the product. Non-clinical study reports which focus on preclinical safety tests conducted on animals, and clinical study reports which covers human clinical trials and all their findings. Module 3, which would be quality, is the information on the chemical, pharmaceutical, and biological properties of the product. Module 4, which is the non-clinical studies or phase 0 studies, details preclinical safety testing on animals. Module 5, which focuses on clinical trials and their findings. Granularity. The eCTD breaks content into small, discrete granules for efficient management, enabling selective updates rather than a resubmission of the entire dossier. Format standard used is the XML backbone, which ensures metadata consistency for easy navigation and review by regulatory bodies. The submission process in itself. Initial submission. The foundation of lifecycle management includes all required modules with appropriate regional formatting. Subsequent submissions. Sequence management. Submissions are numbered sequentially, example 000 for the initial and 001 and 002, so on and so forth for the subsequent updates. Each sequence either adds new information, replaces sections, or withdraws content as necessary. Some type of new submissions are the NDAs or the new drug applications, MAAs or the marketing authorization applications, some variations and amendments, just post-approval modifications for labeling or formulation updates. Version management, document tracking. Clear version control ensures the right document versions are included in each regulatory sequence. Change history and audit trail. Pharmacovigilance requires comprehensive audit trails to track safety-related product modifications. Replacements versus roll forwards. Replacing existing files for corrections or rolling them forward into subsequent sequences for updates. Archives. Secure repositories ensure past submissions are retrievable for reference during audits or inspections. A step-by-step process of document management and regulatory compliance includes initiating document tracking, wherein documents are tracked to ensure version control, maintaining change history, wherein a comprehensive audit trail is created for modifications, the decision on file replacements, where it is chosen between replacing or rolling forward files, and then the archive documents being secured, where past submissions are stored securely in repositories. Regional regulatory requirements, harmonization and divergence. While the core structure of the eCTD is harmonized, Module 1 varies significantly across regions. Example, the EMA, the PMDA, the FDA. Key regional adaptations. The US FDA requires additional indexing in Module 1 for promotional materials. European Medical Agency focuses heavily on quality details in Module 3 for centralized procedures. Japan's PMDA expects extensive informatics validations like checksum verifications. Global complexities. Multi-regional submissions require attention to differences in templates, file formats, and regulatory timelines. Some challenges and best practices. Challenges: managing multiple agency requirements with a single submission, frequent technical or schema updates from agencies mandating new validations, data integrity risks during dossier updates. Some best practices: utilizing robust eCTD tools validated to ensure compliance, establishing cross-functional collaboration between regulatory, IT, and pharmacovigilance teams, maintaining active management with changes in regional requirements for seamless submissions.